The three best anti-aging supplements you should take every day. Let me ask you this. Do you want to feel rejuvenated, energized, and ready to take on the world? Do you want to feel better and look better? If your answer is a resounding yes, then you're definitely in the right place. You probably know that some supplements are better for us than others. But did you know that some supplements can actually slow down the aging process? It's true. Today I'm excited to share with you the top 3 anti-aging supplements that you should take daily for better vitality. But before I reveal these powerful supplements, let me pose a question. Can you guess what they are? Take a moment to ponder that while we explore this intriguing topic further. Why anti-aging supplements matter. As we age, our bodies go through various changes that can affect our health and well-being. We might see more wrinkles, feel more tired, or even notice that our memory isn't as sharp as it used to be. Thankfully, certain supplements can help us combat these changes and keep us feeling young and healthy. These supplements work by protecting our cells from damage, boosting our energy levels, improving our skin, and keeping our minds sharp. The best part is that integrating them into your daily routine can be straightforward and highly beneficial. Let's talk about the 3 best supplements that can help you stay youthful and full of energy every day. Supplement 1. Omega-3. Fatty acids. First on our list is omega-3 fatty acids. These are healthy fats that are very important for keeping our heart and brain in good shape. Benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. 1. Heart health. Omega-3s help keep our heart healthy by lowering bad fats in our blood, reducing blood pressure, and preventing blockages in our arteries. This is particularly important as cardiovascular health is closely linked to longevity. 2. Reduce inflammation. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which is a major factor in aging and many diseases. Chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis, and even Alzheimer's disease. 3. Brain health. Omega-3s can help improve our memory and reduce the risk of mental decline as we age. They can also help with mood and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. This makes them essential for maintaining mental sharpness and emotional stability. 4. Skin health. Omega-3s help maintain the skin's lipid barrier, keeping it hydrated and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. They also help protect the skin from UV damage, which can accelerate aging and lead to skin cancer. How to take omega-3 fatty acids. You can get omega-3s by eating fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. If you don't eat fish, you can take fish oil supplements. Aim for at least 1,000 milligrams of EPA and DHA each day. If you're vegan or vegetarian, you can use algal oil, which comes from algae and is a good plant-based source of omega-3s. Additionally, incorporating foods like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts can provide a boost of ALA, another form of omega-3. Supplement 2. Coenzyme Q10, CoQ10. Next up is Coenzyme Q10, also known as CoQ10. This is an antioxidant that our bodies need to produce energy and protect our cells from damage. Benefits of CoQ10. 1. Boost energy. CoQ10 helps our cells make energy, which can reduce fatigue and keep us feeling active. It plays a crucial role in the production of ATP, the energy currency of the cell. 2. Protects cells. CoQ10 protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can help prevent diseases and slow down aging. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage and aging. 3. Heart health. CoQ10 supports our heart by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. It's particularly beneficial for those with heart conditions or high blood pressure, as it can improve the function of the heart muscle. 4. Skin health. CoQ10 helps produce collagen, which keeps our skin firm and smooth, reducing wrinkles. It also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and protects the skin from UV damage. How to take CoQ10. You can find CoQ10 in supplement form at most health stores. It's best to take 100 to 200 milligrams of CoQ10 each day with food to help your body absorb it better. Look for the active form called ubiquinol, as it's easier for the body to use. For those with specific health conditions, higher doses might be necessary, but always consult with a healthcare provider before increasing your intake. Supplement 3. Collagen. The third supplement on our list is collagen. Collagen is a protein that makes up a large part of our skin, hair, nails, joints, and bones. As we get older, our bodies make less collagen, which can lead to wrinkles, joint pain, and weaker hair and nails. Benefits of collagen. 1. Skin health. Collagen helps keep our skin elastic and hydrated, reducing wrinkles and giving us a youthful glow. It supports the structure of the skin, keeping it firm and smooth. 2. Joint health. Collagen supports our joints and can reduce pain and stiffness. It helps maintain the cartilage that cushions joints, which can wear down over time, leading to discomfort and decreased mobility. 3. Bone health. Collagen helps keep our bones strong and reduces the risk of fractures. It's essential for the overall structural integrity of the skeletal system, supporting bone density and strength. 4. Hair and nails. Collagen strengthens our hair and nails, making them less likely to break. It provides essential amino acids that support hair growth and nail strength. How to take collagen. Collagen supplements come from animals like cows or fish. The best form is called hydrolyzed collagen or collagen peptides, which are easier for our bodies to use. You can mix collagen powder into smoothies, coffee, or even just water. Aim for 10-20 grams of collagen each day. For those looking to target specific areas like skin or joints, there are also specialized collagen products available. Easy ways to add these supplements to your daily routine. Adding these supplements to your daily routine is simple and can make a big difference in how you feel and look. Here are some practical tips to help you incorporate them seamlessly. 1. Morning routine. Start your day with a smoothie that includes collagen powder. Add some fruits, vegetables, and maybe a spoonful of chia seeds or flaxseed oil to get some omega-3s too. This not only gives you a nutrient boost, but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. 2. Midday boost. Take your CoQ10 supplement with lunch. It's easier for your body to absorb CoQ10 when you take it with food that has a little bit of fat like avocados or nuts. This will help you stay energized throughout the afternoon. 3. Evening routine. Take your fish oil supplement with dinner. This helps ensure you get your daily dose of omega-3s and reduces any chance of a fishy aftertaste. Pair it with a meal rich in antioxidants to support overall health. You can also mix collagen into a warm evening drink like herbal tea or bone broth. Common questions about these supplements. You might have some questions about these supplements, so let's address a few common ones. 1. Are these supplements safe for everyone? Generally, these supplements are safe for most people, but it's always best to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. 2. How long will it take to see results? Results can vary from person to person. Some people might notice benefits within a few weeks, while for others it may take a couple of months. Consistency is key, so make sure to take these supplements regularly. 3. Can I take all 3 supplements together? Yes, you can take all 3 supplements together. In fact, They complement each other well and can provide comprehensive anti-aging benefits. In conclusion, adding omega-3 fatty acids, CoQ10, and collagen to your daily routine can have a big impact on your health, energy, and appearance. These supplements help address the main causes of aging, giving you more energy, better skin, and overall improved well-being. Remember, these supplements work best when you also live a healthy lifestyle. So, start today and take steps towards feeling and looking your best. By making these supplements a part of your daily routine, you can support your body's natural processes and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Stay informed, stay healthy,